Looking for expert garage door repair in Cape Coral? Start to finish garage door repair is your trusted local team for fast, affordable service. From spring replacements to opener repairs, we handle it all with precision. Whether you need garage door repair near Cape Coral, Florida or full installations, we've got you covered. Available 24/7, we're proud to be the top choice for garage door repair Cape Coral homeowners count on. Call today and get it fixed right, start to finish.